Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make apps and programs load quicker on your Mac or MacBook. This video should especially help with those of you with older devices, however there should be noticeable difference even if it's small on all of them. The methods in this video should also help speed up your device in general. To make apps and programs load quicker, we need to free up some of the system's resources, so this is what the methods will focus on. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the methods. The first method is to stop some apps from running automatically when you start your Mac or MacBook. These apps might run in the background and use up resources. To stop apps from starting automatically when you start your Mac or MacBook, first go to System Preferences. You can get there by clicking on the Apple icon in the top left and then by choosing System Preferences from the list. Within System Preferences, click on Users and Groups. It should be somewhere on the second row. In here, choose your profile from the list on the left. Now go to the Login Items tab. It will probably be next to the Password tab. You should now be able to see the list of applications that will run automatically when you start your Mac or MacBook. To stop a program from running at startup, select it in here by clicking on it once and then click on the minus icon. You can always add it again in the future by clicking on the plus icon and then navigating to where it is stored on your Mac. This will likely be the Applications folder. You could leave the apps you want to open quickly in here so that they start automatically when you start up your Mac. Let's move on to method 2. The next method to make apps and programs load quicker is to free up space on your device. If your drive is close to or at capacity, then you will likely experience apps and programs that take longer to load. There are so many ways to free up space on your Mac or MacBook. In fact, I will have a separate video coming up with 10 different methods. A quick way to try would be to remove programs you don't use. You can do this by going to the Applications folder using Spotlight Search and then by finding something you don't use and then right click on it or control click on it and select Move to Trash or Bin. Remember to empty the bin or trash occasionally. This is also another way to free up space. A final quick way to free up space would be to remove any photos or videos you don't need. You could alternatively send them to the cloud if you don't want to delete them. Let's move on to the next method. The third method to make apps load faster on your Mac is to close unnecessary apps or programs when you aren't using them. If you see the small circle below the app on the dock at the bottom of the screen, it means that the app isn't fully closed. Make sure you fully close an app in order to prevent it from using the resources of your Mac. To ensure an app is fully closed, open it and first make sure any work is saved. You can use the keyboard shortcut of Command and the Q key to fully close it. You may need to hold down this key combination on certain apps for it to close. Let's move on to the next method. The next method is a simple one. All it is to make sure you restart your device every so often. This is probably aimed more at those of you with MacBooks, but a restart every now and then will help keep your device fresh. Just make sure you save anything you have open before restarting. To restart your device, click on the Apple logo in the top left and choose Restart from the list. The final method is to change some of the storage settings on your Mac or MacBook. These settings are built into macOS to try and help free up space and increase performance, which should lower loading times. To do this, first head to the Apple icon in the top left and click on that. This time, click on About this Mac from the list. It should be at the top. In here, go to the Storage tab. Now click on Manage in the right of the window. In here, you should notice a few options on the right. You can pick and choose which options to run. For example, you can optimize your storage space or set it to empty the bin automatically. And so that is how to make apps and programs load quicker on your Mac or MacBook. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your macOS device. We've already completed some of those methods in today's video, so you should be able to zoom through that video. Help support the channel by visiting the store. The link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below. And if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.